left click. That's all. And okay, I'm going to take a 1080 pixel because my artboard is that much size, and I'm going to put in center as artboard size, and just click on here. uh, this is the eye, and next box is for locking the box or something you are creating. If you don't want to do this thing, you can just lock. By putting lock, you can't move here and there. It is that. Now I'm going to take text tool. So the shortcut will be just click on T on your keyboard while clicking on layer, another layer which you have copied. Now one click will be shown, left one click, and type anything you want. Like I am typing my name, Kush. Now Kush has been there. Now we will be taking selection tool. Selection tool shortcut will be V. So you can do this also by clicking V and just click. That's all. Now shift will be more good because you can take accurate size like I'm taking here. If you do by just putting a mouse, you can't be that much good. Like you can see how much it is so difficult. So I'm going to take a accurate size with the shift plus left mouse click. Put this, then the, that's all. Now I'm going to click on right click mouse and go to transform and share. That's all. Now my share angle will be 137, or you can put as you want, like 132 or 137 or 135. Means you take from 132 to 137. It will be look nice, more clarity will be there, and the angle should be 25. Now we will be just clicking OK. It will be done. Now just go to edit and copy it. Now paste in back. We gonna do paste in back. The shortcut will be Control plus B. So if you want Control plus B, so it will be copied. That's all. Now we will arranging, like I'm pressing down key of my keyboard, and we gonna change some color. Like in first layer, means first text, like this one, I'm going to take something unique color because my background is red. So I'm going to take cyan color. It will look nice. And my this color will be white. I hope the combination will be good. So they both are collected. Now if you want to select both, so you can click, means you can tap with the Control plus A, it will be select, or you can just select V and left click with both side and be selected. Now I am going to go on object and just blend and make. That's all. That's the thing, means 3D fade. out text tool effect. Like it is looking nice, I think so. But if I think black color will be more suitable. Like if I'm going to take black, so blend and make. um, yeah, it is looking nice. So that's my 3D fade out text tool effect. So you can try at home as it is very nice. And that's all. Thank you so much. If you like it the video, so hit a like button, and please do subscribe my channel, so the latest update will be on your mobile phone or desktop, anything which you are means using. And please click on the bell icon, so the latest update will be most uh, coming up to you. So thank you so much, thank you for seeing the video, and have a nice day.